How to download transparent images from Google on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your iPhone. Once you are here, tap on the search bar at the bottom. Now, type in transparent image. On the results page, tap on the Images tab. Here, scroll down to find an image. Checkerboard backgrounds mean the image is transparent. Now, tap on an image to open it. Once loaded, press and hold on the image. From the menu, tap on Save to Photos. The image is now saved to your phone. Go back to your home screen and open up the Photos application. Find the image you just saved now. Tap on it to open. You can see the transparent image is now successfully saved in your photo library. Following these steps, you can easily download transparent images on an iPhone.